Welcome to my YouTube channel on real estate. I'm going to share an insight about the South Delhi real estate market. South Delhi has always been about bungalows and floors, and it somehow lagged behind in developing the new age developments, the kind of future ready homes that we saw coming up in places like Gurgaon, the high rise structures, uber luxury apartments that normally offer much better security, the tightened security, clubhouse amenities, global amenities, likewise neighborhood, and the kind of atmosphere that people have started falling in love with. South Delhi was always been, it has its own heritage, a sense of belonging, but and people love the place completely. But these are the kind of maybe attributes that were always missing from the market. It's now that we have seen that look, these kind of high-rise structures have started coming up. High-rise apartments, so-called the uber luxury apartments, they have started. Though they are very few in number, we can count on our fingers. But these are that's the way forward. The moment we look at the way which way the market is heading, that's where I see a skewed supply coming up. Though handful of properties like I mentioned, but a huge pressure of demand is going to flow when we look at 3 years down the line. Just to name few such developments, one of it is Risland Sky Mansions, which is coming up in Chhatarpur area. Handful, once again, I think 160 homes in total, apartments, but it's beautifully and strategically located at a place that gets they get to see Qutub Minar with a clear naked eye. They get to see the 700 plus acres of lifelong greens, because of the Chhatarpur farmhouse, super hot spot for farmhouses. So these kind of developments have started rolling out. These are again by invitation, specially meant for selective families across. And I do believe that look, the wealth creation normally happens that when you invest today with an eye on the future, keeping in mind the kind of demand pressures that's going to fall on an asset. From that perspective, I do believe as of now, and I've been very strongly recommending it to my clients, saying that look, it's a beautiful home to possess as an end use, but at the same time, an immense potential of capital appreciation over mid to long term. These are strictly by invitations. Of course, I come from a background of luxury residences wherein I have curated such projects in past. I run my own advisory as of now. So yes, it would be a pleasure if in case you could touch base with me, you could call me and we could have a discussion over it in a little more detailed way, and I could actually kind of organize a exclusive project walkthrough for you at this property and similar properties basis your need. Guys, my name is Ashish and my number is 9990084680. Do like this video and do subscribe on to my channel if in case you know it might if you see value in it. Thank you so